Why learning French is easier than you think. Learning French may seem challenging, but it's easier than you think. French shares many words with English, like restaurant, telephone, and important, making vocabulary more familiar. French pronunciation may feel tricky, but with a few simple rules, you'll find that many sounds are consistent. French has clear patterns, and once you learn a few basics, forming sentences becomes intuitive. Plus, there are endless resources, books, movies, apps, and podcasts that make French accessible. Embrace the journey. You'll soon see that French is not only doable but also rewarding and enjoyable. Never give up. Please like, share, subscribe. See you soon.